Hello Facebook, hello Facebook Live, Marcus here. Hello YouTube, hello Instagram on the replays. It is Giving Tuesday. It's Giving Tuesday. It is Tuesday, November 1st today. I'm sorry, December 1st. Tuesday, December 1st, known as Giving Tuesday. We had a lot of people yesterday that jumped in and took advantage of our Cyber Monday gift card sale. That is over. That was just one day and that's it. Typically in the past, we've let that go on for a couple of days, but it is turned off. So thank you everybody who jumped into that. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Hi Cheryl, hi Julie. So I want to talk about Christmas Day, our Christmas Day Soup Kitchen. So I'm going to make this Facebook Live a little briefer than previous Facebook Lives. But Christmas Day Soup Kitchen is something that Jamie and I have done since 2003, where we, let me see if I can get the link for you to make a donation, so I have that. So something we've done since 2003, we average about 550 people every year, 500 people throughout the course of the last 18 years or so in our soup kitchen. And it's a no questions asked meal on Christmas Day. We actually deliver these meals. These meals are delivered to anybody within a 15-20 minute radius of Ellenville. We've been doing this, like I said, since 2003. When we first started, we did inside dining, and then we realized if we turned the whole restaurant into an assembly line, we could impact more people, and we went to 100% delivery, and that really boosted our numbers. So we're doing it again this year, but because of COVID, some things have changed, obviously. We're not going to be taking as many volunteers this year. That's for everybody's safety. Typically, this place is packed with volunteers, people plating up, people in the kitchen. So we're going to modify the food a little bit this year to make it a little easier for us to get out of the kitchen. And basically, myself, Jamie, our kids, immediate family, maybe a couple staff members will come in and basically help us execute all the food. It's going to be a lot more work for Jamie and I and our kids, but it's well worth it. It's something that we do not want to give up. And we feel that now, especially during COVID, that it's more important than ever to be able to provide these meals on Christmas Day. So we've actually set up a link from our homepage, from our Romatine Bistro. There is a link there that you can actually go on and donate to our soup kitchen. We've changed the way that we're doing donations this year. In the past, we've used like generosity.com and other things like that. Now, we have our own, we've done it in our own store, our own website, which will help us save those administration fees from those companies or their profits or what they use to run. So there was a link set up on our homepage that then goes to a shopping cart with 5 different options. You can donate 10, 25, 50, 100, or $500 for that. So I'm just going to go on and just drop that link here as this video is happening. So thank you for everybody's tuning in. There's that link. You can go donate, chefonamission.com/Christmas Day Soup Kitchen there. You found that link. Steve, thank you very much. Steve said he's dropping off a turkey this week. We can use turkey donations as well. That is huge if anybody has an extra turkey. So that is really, really huge. All right. So again, we're still doing Christmas Day. We're taking less in-person volunteers here that day, which is going to create more work for Jamie and I, but this is something we do not want to give up. This is something we cannot give up that we've been delivering to the community since 2003. And it's a no questions asked meal. So if you know somebody who needs a meal on Christmas Day, they should call the family of Ellenville. The family of Ellenville is the one who coordinates the list with us. That's the big part that the family of Ellenville plays. They have a list there. I don't even know their phone number, 4332-3442. I can look that up really quick. And they don't have the list yet, so don't call them yet. Give them a day or so. Family of 7, what's up? 647-2443. They will have the list. So if you know anybody that needs a meal, whether they're homebound elderlies by themselves, people that are in need this year, I'm assuming a lot more people are in need considering that a lot of people have lost their jobs, people have been laid off, PPP money's gone for most businesses, the unemployment's gone. I'm assuming a lot of people can really benefit from this. So that was really the one. When this a couple months ago, Jamie and I looked at each other and go, how in the world are we going to pull off Christmas Day? Because we do a lot of volunteers. It's a ton of work to begin with, and we decided that that's not something we don't want to give up, and we won't give it up. We'll keep doing the best that we can. With that, with that being said, if anybody can help us out, it's Giving Tuesday with a donation for Christmas Day Soup Kitchen. Typically, it costs us just over $5 per person a year to pull this off, and that means 500 people, $5 a person, 550 people. It costs us over $2,000 to pull this off. For the first 10 or so years, 12 years, before those generosity.com sites, things like that, we just relied upon in-house donations, and we always fell sometimes very, very short of what it needed. And we never minded covering the gap, because this was something that Jamie and I wanted to do and we felt was super important. Now that we have the technology to be able to donate online, it's helped us cover that gap, at least reach that gap. So we're just spending our time as opposed to a lot of money going out for this as well. So that's really been a huge help for Jamie and I. We really, really appreciate that, because we cannot be doing that without you. So I just dropped that link. If anybody can donate, that'd be great. If you're on our email list, I dropped the link today in an email for Giving Tuesday, where you can go on and follow the link there. That works well as well. Also on our Facebook page, there's a link on our Facebook banner and a link in the post today. I did this post today on Facebook, and Facebook thought I wanted somebody posting for a job, and I reworded it. But I guess as soon as you put the word "we can use your help," Facebook thinks it's a job. It's not a job posting. It's a posting just saying what's going on for Giving Tuesday. So that was a little confusing, and I tried to fix that, but it's not fixable with Facebook. So that's it, folks. We're gonna have an amazing day. I'm gonna go out for my run now and enjoy the sun while it's out. And I guess it's not gonna get any warmer today, so I better go quickly and get my run done. We are closed tonight. It's Tuesday. We're closed tomorrow night, Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesdays we're closed for our winter hours. Back open on Thursday. So everybody, thank you for tuning in. I really, really appreciate it. We appreciate your support. Jamie and I could not be doing this without you. And thank you for your donations. We really, really appreciate it. Whether you've been a donor in the past, or a future donor, or present, or current day donor, we really, really appreciate. Or if you've donated anything to us or you volunteered in the past for our Christmas Day Soup Kitchens, because again, super, super important. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Everybody have an amazing, amazing day, and we'll talk to you later.